Listening exercise. How to tell the time from midnight to noon. Listen to the audio 3 times and try to guess the correct time based on the clock face shown on your screen. After that, listen to the answer and practice pronouncing it. Let's get started. What time is it? It's 12:15. It's 12:15. It's 12:15. It's 12:15. What time is it? It's 1:19. It's 1:19. It's 1:19. It's 1:19. What time is it? It's 5 to 3. It's 5 to 3. It's 5 to 3. It's 5 to 3. What time is it? It's 3:38. It's 3:38. It's 3:38. It's 3:38. What time is it? It's 4:24. It's 4:24. It's 4:24. It's 4:24. What time is it? It's 5:30. It's 5:30. It's 5:30. It's 5:30. What time is it? It's 6:07. It's 6:07. It's 6:07. It's 6:07. What time is it? It's 7:30. It's 7:30. It's 7:30. It's 7:30. What time is it? It's 8:45. It's 8:45. It's 8:45. It's 8:45. What time is it? It's 10:23. It's 10:23. It's 10:23. It's 10:23. What time is it? It's 20 to 12. It's 20 to 12. It's 20 to 12. It's 20 to 12.